Toyota Venza 2024 changes, reviews, price. The Toyota Venza 2024 quickly became famous when it was first shown to the public. It is the epitome of the segment and reflects Toyota's commitment to customer service. Thanks to its wagon-like design, it has a powerful V6 engine and a roomy cabin. Toyota has included a standard 6.1-inch screen and a rear-view camera for the 2024 model year on all Venza to elevate the vehicle's status in the sector. With the 2.7L inline-4 engine and 6-speed automatic gearbox, you can get going quickly. This engine produces 181 horsepower and 182 lb-ft of torque, allowing the Venza to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds and tow up to 1,000 pounds. The standard engine is a 3.5L V6, although a larger V6 mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission is also available. This engine can pull 3,500 pounds due to its 268 horsepower and 246 lb-ft of torque. The Toyota Venza 2024 poor fuel economy is a significant drawback regardless of the engine choice. The Toyota Venza 2024 has a combined 18 city/highway MPG rating. The V6-powered station wagon gets about 21 miles per gallon on the highway. It can travel 318.6 miles in the city and 442.5 miles on the road on a single gas tank. The fuel tank holds 17.7 gallons altogether. The Venza gets an efficient 23 miles per gallon thanks to its inline-4 engine. Toyota Venza 2024 redesign. Exterior design. Toyota Venza 2024 design may need to be better regarded in its class, but we find it unique and aesthetically beautiful. The unusual design feature of this vehicle is its rear lights. The Toyota Venza 2024 powerful headlamps and towering chrome grille give it a commanding front end. The Toyota Venza 2024 is reminiscent of a station wagon from the side profile, and its desirable dimensions make it simple to drive about town. A whole load of the Toyota Venza 2024 would be 4,045 pounds. The total length is 189 inches, and the wheelbase measures 109.3 inches. It has an overall size of 75 inches across and a height of 63.4 inches, with a ground clearance of 8.1 inches. The Nissan Murano weighs 3,977 pounds less than the Honda Crosstour and 1,050 pounds less than the Toyota Highlander. In addition, the Honda Crosstour has the segment's most extended wheelbase, while the Nissan Murano has the segment's most considerable height and width. The segment-leading wheelbase of 111.2 inches is only one of its many impressive features. Interior design. The Toyota Venza 2024 has a ride that is both comfortable and enjoyable. The cabin's peace, quiet, and generous storage space are both excellent. There's plenty of room for 5 people inside the Toyota Venza 2024, and the front and back seats are comfortable and supportive. Support for the lower legs and the knees ensures a smooth ride and helps the vehicle keep its shape when turning. The Toyota Venza cabin suffers from the choice of low-grade materials that give off a dull vibe. Nonetheless, the thoughtful dashboard's shape and the unique entertainment system hide the cabin's shortcomings. Thanks to the wooden details on the central console, you'll feel like you're at a high-end establishment, and there's plenty of room to put your belongings within. Introducing a 6.1-inch display panel with sharp graphics is the most noticeable change to the Toyota Venza in 2024. Available buttons on the entertainment system provide simple operation. The Toyota Venza 2024 upper trims have a dual-level display panel. It has a CD player, 6 speakers, and AM/FM radio as standard equipment. The XLE offers a 13-speaker JBL sound system as an option, while the Limited is equipped with a JBL sound system as standard equipment. Toyota Venza 2024 engine. There are 2 engine choices for the Toyota Venza 2024. The LE and XLE come standard with a 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, which generates 181 horsepower and 182 pound-feet of torque. The Toyota Venza comes equipped with a sequential 6-speed automatic gearbox. The trim level a customer chooses affects the drivetrain choices they have. The entry-level and mid-level trims provide front-wheel drive, while the premium trim is offered exclusively with all-wheel drive. A 3.5-liter V6 with 268 HP and 246 lb-ft of torque is the best engine. It takes 6.9 seconds to go from a standstill to 60 miles per hour. While exact data for the quarter-mile run are still being determined, conventional wisdom holds that the V6 engine is powerful while the standard engine falls short. Toyota Venza 2024 price and release date. The Toyota Venza 2024 is in the small SUV class among other well-known vehicles like the Nissan Murano and the Subaru Outback. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for a Toyota Venza 2024, which comes in 3 distinct trim levels, ranges from $29,065 to $39,940. However, only some packages are created equal. There are 2 available engines.